Welcome to the Code with Jason meetup. I'm here with my new friend, Adrian. Welcome, Adrian.
Hello, Jackson. I'm fine. And you?
I'm doing good. I recently started this like free mentorship program, dear viewer. Um, and I had a number of people apply. I accepted a number of people, and in the Code with Jason meetup, just kind of like I've been doing in the past already, I'm going to be doing some more mentorship calls with people, but it's maybe a little bit more official now. And now I have this actual form where people can go and apply. And dear viewer, if you're interested in applying to be a mentor, sorry, a mentee, you can go to codewithjason.com, and in the top level nav, you should be able to find the mentorship application pretty easily. Anyway, Adrian, you were one of the people to apply for the mentorship program, and you're in. So here we are. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself, dear viewer? This is Adrian's first meeting. Me and Adrian have never met before this, so we're meeting Adrian together. But do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Of course. I am Paraguay. I am software engineer. I have a leader experience in projects. Uh, I grateful for you, Jackson, for the mentoring. Sorry, my English. I try practice.
No problem. Yeah, okay. Um, great. Let's see. What was I gonna ask? Oh yeah, how long have you been programming?
Um, from 7 years ago, maybe.
Okay. Okay. And by the way, if I'm ever speaking too quickly, just let me know. I don't know if you know this, but I speak a little bit of Spanish, and sometimes when I speak Spanish with people, they just talk way too fast. And so I have to be like, "Hey, that's too fast." And then they talk some more and I'm like, "That's too fast again." And so if you want me to just like slow down in general, like slow down for the whole conversation, just let me know. Just tell me you're talking too fast and I'll slow down for you.
Perfect, perfect.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so you said you've been programming for like 7 or 8 years?
Yes, but yet I I I learn I learn yet more. For example, I would like to learn about clean architecture,
Architecture. Uh-huh.
design patterns, uh, and better my coding in general.
Okay. Okay. That sounds good. And by the way, do you want me to like how much do you want me to like correct your English? Like, do you want me to correct you like every time or just sometimes? How much do you want me to correct you?
Sorry,
Oh yeah. Um, how much do you want me to correct your English?
correct English? Sorry, I don't understand you.
Okay. If you're saying something in English and you make a mistake when you're speaking, how often do you want me to correct you?
Mm,
Okay.
sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. I'll try it a different way. Um, okay, sometimes when you're learning a new language, you'll make mistakes. You'll say
Okay.
things wrong.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you want
I no problem. I have no problem. See you decide me correct. Correct. But, see?
Okay. So when you make a mistake speaking English, do you want me to correct you like every time?
Okay, no problem. Just
Okay. Okay. Um, all right. And just oh, were you gonna say something?
yes, okay. This is my first time in mentoring session.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, as- this okay. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Only thing, only thing.
Yeah, I appreciate you being here. Um, I'm curious, in some like Spanish speaking countries, you kind of have to learn English in order to be a developer. But maybe in Paraguay, well, okay, hang on, let me ask this actually. Um, you've been working for like 7 or 8 years. Have most of your jobs been in Paraguay?
Yes, 5 year in factor in software factory. But I work uh, with local clients
Oh,
in
okay.
Spanish.
Okay. And you say local clients, so do you mean like freelance clients?
Uh, no local clients here in Paraguay.
Okay. Okay, but when you say client, do you mean like at a job or do you mean freelance?
Projects are not uh, in projects.
Okay.
Uh, Principal, I worked in SaaS for healthy SaaS,
Okay.
general system purpose uh, for clients here in Paraguay.
I see. Okay.
From scratch to deployment for for uh, 4 or 5 years.
Okay. Okay. And what are you doing for work right now?
Um, Last year I moved to or, or I tried work in a startup in Chilean startup um, as backend developer in Ruby on Rails.
Hmm.
Um, mm, Sorry, but the last company decided to hire. Sorry, mm, sorry.
Oh yeah, that's okay.
Um, ¿Cómo?
Yeah. You can say it in
I
Spanish and
go.
maybe I'll understand.
Okay, despidió a meets the nómina personal.
Hmm.
You,
Okay.
sorry, you know Spanish?
Un poquito.
Okay, perfect. Ve- very good.
So you were
Right now,
working at a startup.
I am free. I I am right now. I am free. I
Ah, I see.
searching. I looking for new opportunities or jobs.
Okay. Okay. Um, and how long have you been without work?
Um, sorry. Repeat, please, the question.
Um, how long have you been without work?
In my last job or
Again.
from
Oh, sorry. 1 second. We have a new joiner. Adrian, meet my friend Guillaume. Guillaume lives in France. Guillaume, meet my new friend Adrian, who lives in Paraguay.
Hello, Adrián. Nice to meet you.
hello. My pleasure. Uh,
Um,
Thanks.
yeah, so Guillaume,
Nice,
Adrian
nice to
is,
meet you. Nice to meet you, Gideon. Sorry.
oh, that's okay. Guillaume, Adrian is one of my new mentees. And Adrian is learning English in addition to us working on some of the technical stuff.
Okay.
Okay, so my question for you was, how long have you been without work? Um, and I think I interrupted you. What were you saying? ¿Cuánto tiempo no trabajo?
Okay, from 2 months ago.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, really, uh, in January and February, I um, I finished consulting in Java performance
Okay.
to enterprise in Asunción. Uh, but short contract. Um, Also, I work in my side project or personal project. I try to learn about ChatGPT API, for example, while I looking for other long-term jobs.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and right now is obviously a difficult time to be looking for work.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Most difficult, see you know English perfect.
Yeah, yeah. So something I'm thinking, Adrian, is that maybe just as much as the technical aspects of us talking together, maybe we should spend a lot of time working on your English also. Does that does that sound like a good idea?
Sorry. Can you repeat, please?
Yeah, that's okay. Um, I was saying that in addition to us talking about technical matters, maybe we should also spend a lot of time helping you improve your English skills.
Yes. Um, I look to improve my technical skills while I try improve my uh, practice in English.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Um, let's see. Because yeah, I definitely think you're right that if you well, this isn't exactly what you said, but obviously if you if you get to the point where you're fluent in English, that'll really expand your opportunities.
Of course.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. And you said, Adrian, that you have a side project that you've been working on.
Yes, I have.
Okay. Is that something that you would be ready to work on today? It's okay if no.
Yes.
Yeah?
Uh, uh, do you want to see my project?
Yeah, sure.
I can uh, search my screen.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Mm, Sorry.
Yeah, that's
Aquí
okay.
está. Okay. Um, can you see this desktop?
Yeah, I can see it. Um,
Okay.
and sorry, Adrian, how do you pronounce your first name? I don't know if I'm saying it exactly right.
Adrian.
Okay.
In Spanish, Adrián,
Yeah.
but Adrián.
I'll just say it the American way.
No, sorry. This is I tried to create a advice recomendador de consejos, personal, personal.
Okay.
Um,
Wait, sorry,
por,
I
ej-
actually didn't understand that. Can you say that again?
Perfect. I tried to create a personal finance advisor.
A personal finals advisor.
Yes,
Okay.
maybe
Oh, personal
uh,
finance advisor.
yes, personal finance advisor. Yes, sorry.
I
Again.
see. Oh, it's okay. Okay, personal finance advisor. Okay. Okay, asesor financiero. Um,
Yes. Sorry, I don't understand.
oh yeah, that's okay.
I I, I believe I have a bag. Uh, Try it in local.
Okay.
Uh,
And is this a Rails project or is this a different set of technologies?
Um, this project is done in Ruby on Rails.
Okay.
Uh, Wait minute. Sorry.
Yeah, no
Uh,
problem.
the next time I prepare, better prepare me.
Oh, that's totally okay. I kind of put you on the spot here, so it's no problem at all.
Um, or,
Did you build this project using Avo?
yes. I I tried. I use Avo. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I found very utile very useful
Mm-hmm.
this gem. Sorry. mm, I tried again.
I'm guessing.
I
Uh-huh.
I think that Google login changed in
Oh, I see.
days.
I'm guessing
Uh,
ingresar de plataforma means something like sign into the platform.
so only Google login. Our Docker compose app db. Uh, I tried in local.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah. Oh, were you able
okay.
to get in?
Sorry.
Were you able to get in? Did you understand the last time?
Uh,
Were you able to sign in?
okay. I I I log in. Ya estaba conectado. I- mm, uh,
Yeah,
uh,
I think we're on the same page. You were able to successfully sign in.
yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Um, Here, I have a chat form. You you can write Netflix, for example, you can write Netflix, sorry, it's uh, 5,600.
Yeah, exactly.
Um, and so I sent my phone. Um, okay. The idea is they show a card with information you write here.
Okay.
Also, I implement a import function where you can import a PDF or Excel. Uh,
Oh, you can import a PDF or Excel.
Perfect. Yes. PDF or
Okay.
Excel. Uh, and same, sorry, same behavior. Up appears the cards extract information from PDF.
Okay.
Um, and here I use Hotwire.
Okay.
Here chat I connect to ChatGPT. Uh, s- I I try to learn about other concerts, for example, los previos mencionados or said. Uh, this this old. Sorry, uh, I have difficult to explain you.
Yeah, it's okay. You don't need to apologize. Okay, so can I make some guesses about this program and ask you some questions? Let's take that a piece at a time. Um, can I make some guesses? Do you understand that much?
Yes, vosotros.
Okay. Can I make some guesses about this program? That was the first thing I said. And then I also said, can I ask you some questions? Do you want me to repeat that last part?
Per, Please.
Um, can I ask you some questions about this program?
Yes. What is the question
Okay.
exactly? Okay.
Okay. Um, so I have a few questions about the UI and the domain model and stuff like that. So I see at the very top, and I'm trying to translate some of this from Spanish. So I see at the very top, Marzo, that's March, the month of March. Presupuesto. I don't know what presupuesto means. What does that mean?
Marzo is March.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, or what's the question? Sorry.
Presupuesto?
Budget. Sorry, I changed
Oh, I think
my.
okay, it's like progress. It's like yeah,
Yes.
I think I understand. Okay. And then por favor verifica el siguiente
I I
registro.
I changed my language. Aquí. Sorry.
Well, I'm guessing.
Uh,
Oh, okay.
I support multi-language. uh, exactly.
Oh, I
I
see.
have two language, English and Spanish.
I see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's roughly what I was gonna guess. Verify this transaction, category, supermercado, when, blah blah blah, account. I'm not sure what account means exactly, but maybe that's not important, and you can approve or reject the transaction. Okay. Okay. Um, what happens if you approve a transaction?
Um, should uh, reduce budget, for example. Sorry,
Oh, that's okay.
ex,
How about this?
extractor.
This might actually give me a
Um,
better idea. Can you take me to the controller action for when we click approve?
okay, yes. Confirmation controllers
Okay.
approve. Um, I receive movements params.
Okay.
I initialize to object, change processed, uh, because all movements uh, start with processed false.
Okay.
After I save movements, it's this with sorry, I use interactor gem
Okay.
this part.
Okay.
Uh, Finally, um, okay, this alt is, but when you refresh the page,
Hmm.
the logic here in component, in view component,
Okay.
paint the BART, progress BART.
Okay. Can you take me back to the code and can we look at the code for transactional? I don't remember the name. Can you take me back to the code?
Sí, sí, sí. I go.
Can you take me to the code for transactional save?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm, I okay. I try to separate the business logic in
Oh, okay.
interactors on components.
Yeah, I
Business
think you were
service logic.
uh-huh. I think you were trying to say you were trying to separate the business logic.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. 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 So I see that basically the only thing happening here is that it saves the record.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. And can you show me the movement class?
Here, this is structure,
Mm-hmm.
amount, comment, date, process, processed, sorry, William. Um, Also, I use multi-tenant hem
Okay.
for um, work separate
Uh-huh.
uh, data user data.
Got it.
Uh, Movements have relationship with concept should be category.
Okay.
Accountable is the cash or bank, for example. Amount, date.
Okay.
Finally, here I prove or I try. Uh, I don't remember the name. Turbo string. Yes, turbo string.
Oh, okay. Okay, question for you about this model. Um, how come you chose to call it movement rather than something like transaction or something like that?
Okay. I have a transaction model, mm,
Mm,
but transaction model quedó or was deprecated because movements represent a message write the user. Um, maybe I can to change the name movements to uh, transaction. Maybe better significado or meanings for this domain. Uh,
yeah. Yep, I'm understanding.
yes, I am understanding you too. Uh, why the question for me? I,
Oh,
entiende,
you're asking me how come I asked? Um, are you asking me why I asked you about the name?
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Um, I asked because I didn't understand. I didn't understand the meaning of movement. Yeah, I didn't understand, and so I wanted to understand your thoughts behind why you chose the name. Yeah,
Mm,
because I
also,
thought maybe maybe there's something you knew that I didn't know that was preventing me from understanding.
mm, and I understand you.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. And I think based on your answer, I understand a little bit better. Can you show me the transaction class?
um, okay.
Okay.
Similar to movements. Por eso, this class, uh, I should be removed this class. Um,
Oh, okay.
the principal is okay. Account have movements equals to transactions. The
I see.
very this is the it should be transactions.
Okay. Okay. I have a different question for you. Do you have tests for this application?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I search others friends or coworkers Um, I don't know why,
Mhm.
but don't works right now. Maybe I update something.
Okay,
Eh, mm, pero no, it's the it doesn't in production. It's only tests.
I see. You don't have a production environment for this application. You only have the development environment.
Yes, yes.
Got it. Okay. Okay. Um, I think I was asking about something a little bit different. I was asking if you have automated tests for this program.
No yet.
Okay.
I concentrate to uh, pro test the idea.
I see. Okay. And what made you want to create this project? Do you think you'll turn it into a business or is it just for fun?
Uh, Both,
Mm-hmm.
ambos.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I was just curious about that. Um, okay. Let's see. Is there anything specific that you think you want to do next with this application?
Mm, yes. I I would like um well okay I need to fix these buttons.
Okay.
Uh, but I would like uh sh show more clean or mm, I don't or more easy
Okay.
auction the import PDF.
Okay.
Uh, my idea is two buttons, joins, add, and drop down button. Ah,
Mm,
quit auction import.
okay.
Also, I need to when you click in approve or reject,
Mm,
uh, reduce progress bar in budget. Right now, uh, I use Huawei
mm-hmm.
here, mm, but only refresh this section. I need to mm, refresh to progress bar.
Okay. Okay. Um, and are you interested in adding tests to this application?
Of course, yes.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Maybe in our next session, we could start adding some tests.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I have another question for you. Um, it sounds like you want to, it sounds like you want to rename movement to transaction and the old transaction table goes away. Is that right?
Yes. Can I can change the puedo hacerlo. I can.
Okay, I'm going to say it in a different way because I don't think I said it very well on my first try. Um, I think maybe what you want to do is you want to delete the transaction table and delete the transaction model and then rename the movement model to transaction. Do I have that right?
Yes, yes. This is the better way.
Okay. Can you repeat that back to me just to make sure that we're talking about the same thing?
Sorry. Can you repeat, please?
Yeah. Can you repeat to me your plans for the transaction model and the movement model? I want to hear you say it because I want to make sure that we have the same understanding.
Okay. First, I removed the all transactions table.
Okay.
I renamed movements to transactions.
Mm-hmm.
Um, y this all?
Okay.
Or what's the
Yeah,
next step?
that's all. That's all. I just wanted to make sure we had the same understanding of that part of the plan. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Um, can you take me to the code again?
Mm,
Okay, and right now, is there any folder for test or spec or anything like that?
this
Okay, you have a spec folder. Oh, you have a spec folder and a test folder.
no. This folder create automatically. Um,
Got it. Okay.
uh, both folder anything uh, test
Okay. When you start to add tests, do you think you want to use mini test or RSpec?
mini test.
Yeah. Okay.
But in your experience, you have a preference about uno or other another.
Yeah, one or the other. I
Uh,
personally prefer RSpec, but that doesn't mean that you have to use RSpec. You can use whichever one you want.
okay. I prefer in mini test.
Okay. All right, let's do that. Um, okay, and right now, if you go to the terminal and you run like what is it? Rails test? I don't remember the command to run the mini test tests.
See, right test. I not sure. Okay. Uh,
Yeah, it looks like we have to create the Rails Rails test database.
no.
Yeah.
Raise and thank you. Sorry.
Oh,
Create. Like,
okay. Okay. What does it say now? Can you scroll up for us?
mm, 100. one errors.
Okay.
Sorry, can you see me in the video?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, perfect. No.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see. Um, maybe maybe what we want to do is maybe we should just delete all the tests and start over.
Yes, right now I did it.
Um,
Uh,
yeah, we don't have to do it right now because we only have a few minutes left, but maybe for next time that's what we can do. Um,
okay, okay.
and maybe between now and next time you can delete the transaction model and rename movement to transaction.
Yes, for the next sessions, really?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, I want to show you something. Um, okay, so let's see. I'm gonna share my screen now if that's okay.
Yes, perfect, perfect.
Okay. Okay. So there's this really good book that I wanted to share with you. Yeah, I think this is the one. Um, I have this book. I'm using it to learn Spanish, but you could use it to learn English because yeah, okay. Let's see. Okay, so on one side it's English and on the other side it's Spanish.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so let's see. Por supuesto. Oh yeah. Here we go. So like, oh, where is it? Y por supuesto, ni una palabra sobre mi faceta de novelista. And of course, there was absolutely no mention of my career as a novelist. So you can go back and forth and translate one to the other and learn English that way. I found this particular book to be very helpful.
Great, great. I will read this.
Yeah, I'll send you the link after this. Did you understand what I said?
Sorry, sorry, I don't.
Um,
Can
yeah,
can you repeat?
after this call, I'll send you a link to that book.
Ah, perfect.
Yeah, okay. Um, do you have any friends who are native English speakers?
And no, I don't.
Okay. Yeah, well, you and I can speak English sometimes. The most helpful thing that I found for learning a language is to just have calls like this with somebody who's a native speaker. Oh, let me show you something else, Adrian. Um, this might help you a lot too. Okay. Reddit language exchange. Um, this site is really nice, or this subreddit is really nice. So, okay. For example, okay, so this is a site where you can meet language exchange partners. Are you familiar with the concept of a language exchange partner?
Uh, so.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So let me find a simpler example. Oh, okay. Ha, here you go. Here's somebody who's offering English and they want to learn Spanish. And so you could talk with this person and you could teach them some Spanish and they can teach you some English. And you just respond to them on here and then you talk on WhatsApp or whatever. Yeah, and
Interesting.
there's obviously a whole bunch. Like this person is offering Arabic and they want to learn German. Anyway, after the call, I'll send you a link to this also.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's been really good to meet you.
Um, Thank you. I am very grateful for you this time.
Yeah, I'm grateful for your participation as a mentee. So I will see you next week and we can work on adding some tests to your application.
Perfect. Perfect.
All right. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.
Bye bye. Thank you.